I got a message from my friend Valentine saying that he's going to start working on making his own solid doghouse on his boat and asking for some photos of mine. So that prompted me to finally make this follow-up video to the construction of the doghouse. You can see behind some of the pros and cons, things I learned, and little bling bits that I've done since building it. Hope you enjoy. Thank you. Hello, welcome to my doghouse. So yeah, it's really comfy in here, really happy with it. I've got a good bit of headroom, feels pretty secure if I'm not gonna fall out offshore. I've made it quite comfy. An offcut here of the foam I've used, so it's quite high density, just saves from sitting on the solid wood. If it gets wet, just wipes off. That's pretty cool. I've got these little plastic trays, Sikaflex down to put, there's no more spilled coffee on this boat. I'll show you on the other side in a little bit what's on there. I've got electricity wired in here so I can charge the tablet or my phone. It's great, and when I'm offshore on watch, it's great. I can just see out all around. I love it. On the other side over here, you can see a few plants. Again, some more plastic trays, Sikaflex down. I've got an emergency aerial here, just ready to go. That's goes through the roof. Just need to stick the aerial on, and that would go in the back. You can see here the metal track that I've used to put in this bit of plastic. This track used to be at the front of the old spray hood, and it's what the canvas was threaded into. So I just repurposed that over here, which is pretty good. Yeah, it's a great little space. Really good visibility all around. Just to show you the detail of how I've got the canvas attached at the back with these little things here. So I just put in a screw, and then these just screw on basically. They're pretty simple little things. There we go. So you just put them on from either side, make a neat hole with a Stanley knife, and you have a screw in the middle. These are off the old canvas, so again repurposed. Pretty quick to take it off. Just go around each of these hoppers like this. There we go, that's that side. The other side's nearly done. And then it just slides off, and I can put this below. Now it looks really nice. So from the roof up here, I've got two downpipes that catch water. These two 20-litre tubs filled up last night. We were in the tropics, so that's 40 litres of fresh water that can go into the tank. This apron here, this canopy, was on the boat, so I made something to fit it in. It's not always up, but when it's raining a lot, or when I'm offshore, it feels really good to have a bit of extra like wave dodging and just a bit more security. This all comes down if I need to completely secure it. So on a bit of a slow downwind sail across the bay here, taking the cover off, and you can see a bit more what it looks like. It's quite very spacious with the cover off. Up here I've fitted a little holder for the tablet navigation. It's pretty handy. Yeah, you can see the little trays I've got here, they're fixed. Put stuff in. That cabling that comes through, I put a bit of leftover stainless steel piping just to make sure that if sometimes waves do get through here, stops water getting in the conduit there. It's all good. So when I did the design, obviously I made sure there was room to get the winch handles around, and this shape here actually is the same, that angle is the same angle as the transom. Copied them. That was a tip from Ari, who gave me lots of tips on the building of this. I'll put a link to his YouTube channel. So just having something that complements another part of the boat, so visually it'll work well. And one of Ari's tips, the little tubing here, is just garden hose filled with sand. And that's what makes the barrier to catch the water. And this is garden hose, this edging as well. Made it a lot easier. Brought the finish off really well. Yeah, what else? You can see the visibility I've got. It's brilliant all the way around. Before, it used to just be a tiny little window here, and then it was much higher with the canvas. So it's really good for visibility. Yeah, this is the doghouse. Please do use the comments if you want to ask any questions. Use the comment section and I'll answer every question that's in there. And of course, if you've subscribed already, thank you. If you haven't, please subscribe. Thanks.